Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some amazing products to share with you today. I'm really excited about these because one has been on the wish list from Kristen on my design team for literally, I would say 4 or 5 years. She might correct me, it might be longer, but it's been forever. Now, her favorite stamp set that we have is our Guitars to Play. And this is what it looks like. It has all these fun guitars and it says, "You rocked it, congrats, have a rockin' birthday, you rock, sweet, rock and roll." Really exciting. But it never had dies. So guess what, my friends? It is time. It is time that we have now added dies. Look at this. So now the stamps have matching dies. Isn't that exciting? Stamps, dies, stamps, dies. Whoa! Now we've also released, and I don't have a sample here, but we also released the words "You Rock." So you can get "You Rock" and the guitars, and I have some fun samples to share with you before we even move further. So let me show you these fun samples. Here is my cute little guitar cut out with the "You Rock" right next to it. Isn't that adorable? So fun. I love it. I think it's just awesome. Then we have one here. "I'm so proud of you." Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Okay, there we go. And then we have the "You Rock" by itself. So you can mix and match. You don't have to do it like that. Here's the "You Rock" with the shadow and without the shadow, so you get to pick. Now, here's one on that coffee cup, which is so fun. Ooh, how about doing your guitar dies in glitter, my friends? I love that. You rocked it, congrats. Ooh, look at this with our brushstroke stamp set. This one is one of my favorites. It's gorgeous. Now it does have matching dies, but you can use it just as brush strokes. And then you don't even need the stamps on this one. You're just gonna die cut those guitars, which is so fun. Ooh, this one literally just screams rock and roll, doesn't it? It has that nice, fun vintage look, and it is using our circle stencil that was released. And look at that cute little guitar all cut out. Wow, again, die cut only. Don't you love that? Isn't that fun? Here's another one. Oh, this one's even a shaker. I love that. I love that. Now, that is now available. Oh, here's the last one. You rock. Ah, rainbows. You can't go wrong with rainbows, am I right? So that is now all available on our website. The guitar stamps you might even already have, which is even better, right? Now, I have another product to share with you today. I did give you a little sneak peek recently on one of our creative corners on Thursday. Every Thursday I go live on YouTube around noon Pacific time, and I did a sneak peek of this one. But let me share with you how adorable this cute little box is. Now it opens up, of course, and you can stick something yummy inside. Now I have a ton of samples to share with you. Imagine this one, a wedding, little wedding treat box. This one's not designed to, oh, it's got ribbon to close it. But look at how gorgeous that is. Here's one, and it comes with this. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me bring the dies over here so you can see all the dies it comes with, so you can get an idea of how awesome this is. So it comes with the die, of course, that die cuts it. Then it comes with, of course, as you know, end user here, my friends, I always make sure you have all those layering dies. So you have a layering die for the lid. You have this layering die here. You have this gorgeous mermaid tail to go right there. You have the heart cutouts also. Look how fun that is, sweetheart. And you can open it up, and woo, this one has sweethearts inside to give you an idea of the size. Now let's look at some others. Oh, here's a cute one, thanks. And I love the little scalloped edge along the side of this. Can you see how gorgeous that scalloped edge is? It's so fun. It's even around the sides here as well. Here's another one, have a bubblicious day. And now some of our team is opening this different. I opened it as a lid, but you can also open it on the side as well. That's up to you. Here, ooh, look at that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's the way I would normally open it, like a lid. So either way, you can do it either way you like, but isn't that gorgeous? Oh, here's one with a guitar on it. You can even, oh, a Twix is in there, yummy. Ken might grab that one after this video. Look at how pretty that heart is. I love that. And oh, and look at the little layering die over here. Now, don't worry, my friend. Oh, feel better soon with a little Band-Aid cut out. Now, don't worry, my friends. I'm going to make one of these in just a minute. I have tons more samples. Well, 5 more samples. So here's another cute one with a beautiful edge. There we go. Isn't that cute? Here's one with the hearts. I love that heart. It's fun for like this would be a good wedding one. Here's one that says sweet. cute little hearts cut out. Ooh, that one has treats in it too. I might grab one of those. And then here's a cute one with a little tag. Ooh, pattern paper, my friends. Look at that. That just is a game changer, having the inside be a different color. Here's another one. I didn't even notice it on this one, but there, pattern paper. Look at that, different inside. You gotta love it. Oh, here's another one. Let's do one more. This one has the little watering cans on the inside. Now, this was one of my favorites. I have to be honest. Who made this one? Oh, it doesn't have a name. Darn. But look at this one. First of all, it has one of those little guys on it, wobbles. And it says, happy birthday with our little ticket to stamp. Ticket to Stamp was released a long time ago, but it's an oldie but a goodie because look at this. It has dies, and look, oh, there's chocolate in there. But look, you can die cut, and this is fun. Good for one dinner, good for one foot rub, happy birthday, good for one movie, good for a lunch date, another lunch date, hug. I'm going to start using some of these. Happy birthday, back rub. Happy birthday, foot rub, back rub. Look how fun this would be to give to somebody. Back rub, dinner. Good for one dinner, good for one movie. You can make your own little raffle tickets or your own little tickets with that set. Of course, it does come with the outer edge that says happy birthday as well. So that's our ticket to stamp, dies and stamps. Now, I did already die cut the main base. So this is the main base. Of course, you're always going to do the largest die first. So I ran this through my die cut machine and I came up with this. And I'm going to move this over so you can really see this. So what I've done was I've die cut all of this and I've already folded them, but I'm going to fold them again. So you're just going to literally fold it on all of those deep score lines that the die created, okay? Just like that. And I want you to see how darn easy this box is to put together. Just like that. Now, on all of my boxes, and I'm going to use some scratch paper underneath me here, on all of my boxes, you're always going to put the adhesive on the top of the tabs, okay? On the top of the tabs. However, this is not a tab, okay? That's a side. This is a tab, this is a tab, 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 okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tabs. So we're going to do 6 adhesives. I'm going to do the bottom ones first. 1, 2. Notice I have scratch paper below me, so if I get it anywhere else. Now, I've just done the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, oh, and another way to remember, this is helpful for me too. The scallop is the lid. The straight is the box, the bottom of the box. Lid, bottom, okay? That'll help you remember. Now I'm just gonna take this, literally, watch this, my friends. You're gonna laugh when you see how easy this is. They go on the inside and they just fold right in. Look at that, that's half my box already. Do the same thing over here, fold those tabs in, press, fold that tab in, press, done. Look at that, oh, well, not done. Now we're gonna take these here and here, remember on the top of the tabs, not the sides, just the tabs. One there, one there. We're gonna bring it in, fold it both, fold both down, press. Fold both, press. The easiest box you have ever made in your life. Fold it just like that, and now you have your cute little box. Oh, this one's a little crooked. That's what happens when you do things on the air. There you go. Now, look at this. Look how cute my little box is. So cute. Now I get to decorate it. Now I get to have fun with it. Now, there's lots of layering dies to play with. You can use the fun mermaid one, and let me show you the mermaid one. Here's an example of the mermaid. You can do that fun mermaid. There's the bow on top. You can do that to decorate it. You can do just the layering panels if you want to. Here's one with just layering panels with pattern paper. There's little hearts. There's little hearts here, flowers. But what I did, and I noticed that my design team did not do this, so that's why I did it for you, is I went and die cut this one again instead. And what I did was I ran this die through. Let me show you on the overhead. I ran this die through. At the same time, I ran this die through. Just ran it through just like that. I just ran it through right like that. And then I got this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the exact same thing again. And we're gonna put this together really quick because I want you to see how awesome this is. Again, we're adding adhesive there, 4 spots, remember, for the bottom. 4 spots. And I'm playing with these adhesives and they're trying to get me to try a new one, and I don't know if we're gonna, okay, let's switch. And we're gonna add that one, add that one. Okay, again, we are going to tuck, tuck, whoops, there we go, right there. We're gonna flip this over, boom, boom, and then again on top of the tabs, 1, 2, and we're going to boom, and lastly, boom. Now, look at this gorgeous lid. Oops, I didn't fold it enough right there. There we go. Look at that gorgeous cutout. Isn't that fantastic? Now, if I wanted to, check this out. I could put something in there and you can still see it. Isn't that fun? Look at that. I love that. Isn't that awesome? Now, this is now available on our website. It's adorable. I wish I had exact measurements to give you, but go on our website. I'm looking for my ruler. Oh, here it is. Look at this, my friends. I know, I'm like now becoming prepared. So it is 3.5 by approximately 1.75 by approximately 1 inch. Will this fit in a standard machine? Yes, it will. Anything that holds 6 inches, this will fit into, okay? Regular machine is fine. You do not need a larger machine. Oh, isn't that awesome? My friends, go check it out at thestampsoflife.com. If I went too fast on any of these projects, don't worry. They're all on our website. You can go to the online gallery and check it out. Club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on these products. And if you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? It is time to go check it out. Go check it out. It starts at only $11.95 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set each month, and you get a 15% discount off of everything on my website. Everything on my website. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.